of thought is put into what colors to use in advertisements, what colors to paint walls, say in offices, etc., because different colors invoke different emotional responses in us. And so advertisers want to invoke a certain response. Perhaps our work environments want to have us feel calm and peaceful, yet fun, that sort of thing. Have you ever thought about using your color analysis results and taking it one step further and implementing some of these aspects into what you're wearing to hopefully emit different energies? Well, in this video, I'm going to cover this topic in general. Stay tuned. I'm Carol Brailey of carolbrailey.com. I do so many color analysis videos, I probably haven't shared with you that I am also trained in color healing. So color is energy, and there's an actual holistic practice where you can use color to heal certain areas of you and to invoke different emotional responses. So if you're feeling lack in a particular area, it's possible to use the energy of color to fulfill that lack. You could also, if you aren't feeling lack in a particular area, but just want to magnify a particular emotional response like love, passion, motivation, etc., you could use the energy of a particular color to magnify that emotional response. So if you don't believe me that color holds energy and invokes different responses in you, my suggestion would be to pause this video for a second or a minute or so and look around at your surroundings right now and just stop and look at a certain color for say 10 seconds and move on to some other object and take in that color and keep moving on, etc., to different colors surrounding you. And my bet is you will feel different things as you take in different colors. So what I'm suggesting is once you know your color analysis results, so I'm a true summer, so I'm just going to hold up my true summer flag, is let's say you wanted to amplify or emit different feeling responses as people look at you, you could use the colors in your palette, so the undertone, value, and intensity ranges, to invoke different responses in people. So for instance, let's say I wanted to have people feel passion, love, compassion when looking at me. I probably would wear the color pink. Let's say I wanted to have people feel a calm energy when looking at me. I would wear the color blue, etc. Let's say I wanted to have people feel a sense of connection to the divine. I might choose a purple in my palette. That is one of the things that in my color healing training that they suggested is wearing different colors to elicit emotional response in yourself and others as a healing practice. And why I'm suggesting to use your color analysis results, so your color palette, this being the True Summer color palette, as a guide, is because you will sparkle, and I believe, therefore, you will sparkle and all eyes will be on you, and therefore, there'll just be this additional magnification of that energy out there. That's what I believe. That wasn't part of my color healing practice. So right now I'm in pretty much a gray color, which in color healing is indifference. It's pretty neutral. I didn't think too much when I was doing this video in terms of preparing what I was wearing. But again, you could, this would invoke perhaps a calm feeling in you, etc. So you could really play with this and, really, add to your sparkle and emit different energies, particularly if you're an entrepreneur and want to invoke different feeling energy in, say, your online branding, etc. This is a green in my palette. It gives off a balancing energy, that sort of thing. So if you're unclear about what colors emit different emotional responses in people and emotional responses in you, you can do a quick internet search. It's out there and it's all free. So have fun with it. I just did this video to give you another idea on how you can use your color analysis results and take it one step further. I hope this video has inspired you to add to your sparkle today. Happy shopping.